I spent over 65 hours testing ActiveCampaign, Constant Contact, and these 7 other email marketing tools. So in this ActiveCampaign versus Constant Contact comparison, I'll break down their key features like the landing page builder, email marketing automations, customer support, and their pricing plans. I'll also score both platforms out of 5 and give you my personal recommendations. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which email marketing provider is best for you. Ease of use. Both platforms are relatively easy to navigate, but with different approaches and performance levels. ActiveCampaign is pretty easy to use for such a featured-packed tool. The design is clean with helpful features like demo data and personal onboarding service. Their live chat button is available on every page. However, with so many features, it can feel overwhelming for beginners, and the platform can feel laggy sometimes when loading big sections like automation workflows. Constant Contact is generally easy to navigate, and you can get to most places within a couple of clicks, but the design looks a bit outdated and the platform feels laggy with longer page load times. They do have a help button you can click from almost anywhere on the platform, which is handy. Both platforms offer drag and drop editors with different capabilities. ActiveCampaign's drag and drop editor works really well and feels user-friendly. You can save custom blocks to reuse and even see revisions and changes that others have made. It's possible to build a separate versions of your email for mobile and hide content when viewed on mobile devices. One handy feature is adding actions like adding tags when contacts click on elements. Constant Contact's editor is easy to use. Their drag and drop builder comes with standard blocks like buttons and images, but also has more unique items like event and RSVP built in, which is pretty cool for event organizers. ActiveCampaign clearly wins in template quality and innovation. They have over 250 modern-looking email templates. You can upload your own HTML templates and save colors, fonts, and logos in a brand kit for consistent branding. It's also possible to save content blocks and reuse them across all your future emails. A cool feature is their AI-powered brand kit, where they automatically pull information from your website to generate on-brand email templates. Constant Contact offers over 200 templates that work well on all devices, but most of them look a bit too simple and outdated. You can upload your own HTML templates and save brand elements. You can save and reuse templates, but you can't do the same for individual content blocks. Both platforms offer basic landing page builders, but ActiveCampaign is more advanced. Their landing page editor provides a good selection of modern-looking templates, which can be hosted on your own custom domain. On the professional plan and up, you can create personalized web experiences by hiding or removing certain elements based on who's viewed the page. However, the form builder is super basic with no templates. Constant Contact really struggles here. The landing page builder is very basic with no custom templates to get you started. You only have one plain option. The content blocks are limited and customization options are pretty restrictive. For forms, you get different types, but no templates to start with. You can only add text and date fields, not multiple choice answers or checkboxes. ActiveCampaign wins ease of use with a more modern interface and better onboarding despite some complexity. While both platforms can feel overwhelming at times, ActiveCampaign provides a better guidance with demo data and personalized onboarding. ActiveCampaign also offers superior template quality with AI-powered branding and more advanced editor features like mobile versions and click actions, making it worth a slightly steeper learning curve. Features. This is where ActiveCampaign completely dominates. They offer really good segmentation, letting you combine a wide range of filters like website visits, email engagement, and purchases. You can add tags to organize your contacts better without restrictions. Constant Contact offers decent segmentation with filters like email activities, tags, and engagement, but you can only create one custom segment on their paid Lite plan, which is not practical. They also charge you for unsubscribed, deleted, and duplicate contacts, which can really add up over time. This is ActiveCampaign's biggest strength versus Constant Contact's biggest weakness. ActiveCampaign really stands out here. Their flowchart style marketing automation is unbeatable and extremely powerful, allowing you to automate follow-up campaigns, create lead scores, trigger abandoned carts, and so much more. There are over 1,000 triggers and actions and tons of pre-made templates to choose from. Constant Contact's automations are very limited. On a light plan, you can only do basic campaigns like welcome emails. To send any e-commerce related emails and use custom automations, you must upgrade to their highest tier premium plan. The automations aren't flexible since you can't combine conditions and actions. There are no web tracking, lead scoring, or A/B testing features either. ActiveCampaign has significantly more integrations available. They offer over 1,000 integration options so you can connect with key platforms like WordPress, WooCommerce, and Shopify. The Zapier integration opens up connections with hundreds of additional tools, and the Stripe connection is also really handy for accepting payments straight on the platform. Constant Contact provides you with 58 native integration with platforms like WordPress, Shopify, and Stripe. There's another 8,000 more available by integrating Zapier, but some integrations will take more work to set up, which can be annoying. Both platforms have excellent deliverability rates. ActiveCampaign has a 93.4% score, which is the highest score from testing. Constant Contact has a 92% score, which is also up there with the very best, so you don't have to worry about your emails getting stuck in the spam folders. So in my opinion, you can't go wrong with either of these options. ActiveCampaign offers much more comprehensive reporting. They allow reporting on pretty much everything: opens, page visits, geo-tracking, and more. E-commerce reports are also available on certain plans. Another great feature is BotSense, which filters out bot-powered clicks and opens from your reporting to give you a more accurate picture. However, this is only available for Pro and Enterprise users. Constant Contact provides standard reports like opens and click rates, plus bounce, spam, and unsubscribe rates. There are useful items like bot clicks removed and desktop or mobile opens. They also have a heat map feature, but you'll need to upgrade to premium to use this feature. ActiveCampaign dominates features with vastly superior automation, more integrations, and better CRM capabilities. ActiveCampaign's unmatched automation with 100 plus triggers and actions versus Constant Contact's basic workflow, more integration, advanced segmentation without plan restrictions, and comprehensive CRM features make it the clear winner for businesses needing sophisticated marketing capabilities. Customer support. ActiveCampaign offers superior migration support. They offer one of the most complete migration packages available. Even on the entry-level plan, you can migrate key elements like contacts, forms, landing page, automations, and templates. The personalized support with direct account manager communication makes a very big difference. Constant Contact doesn't offer hands-on migration support. They position themselves as a self-serve platform. While their customer success team can guide you through the process, you'll have to do the heavy lifting yourself, importing contacts, recreating automations, and all that. Both platforms have concerning customer satisfaction ratings. ActiveCampaign has a 2.9 rating with over 1,000 reviews on Trustpilot. The main complaints are about hidden billing problems, slow and buggy software, and constant price increases. Many users feel trapped by confusing cancellation rules and unfair payment practices. Constant Contact has a solid 4 rating with over 1,000 reviews, which is better than ActiveCampaign. However, the main complaints are about their pricing policy. Users are unhappy about being charged for unsubscribed, deleted, and duplicate contacts. They are also frustrated about having to call customer support to cancel their plan. ActiveCampaign provides more comprehensive support resources. Their support is fast and friendly across all channels. Their knowledge base is really in-depth and easy to search. They also have video tutorials and webinars for you. Live chat is also available on all plans, but only Monday to Fridays for 20 hours and Sunday for 5 hours. Phone support is not available. Constant Contact offers several support channels, including email, live chat, phone support, a knowledge base, and community support. However, chat and phone support are not available 24/7, which can be frustrating. And when you do reach support, they can be helpful. But you need to call to cancel your subscription. You can't do it online. ActiveCampaign wins customer support with much better migration assistance and more comprehensive resources. Despite Constant Contact having a better Trustpilot rating, ActiveCampaign provides superior migration support on all plans, more comprehensive training resources, and better overall support quality. ActiveCampaign's personalized migration assistance and account manager support make a significant difference for businesses switching platforms. Pricing. Both platforms are expensive, but ActiveCampaign has better value for money. ActiveCampaign offers a free trial but no permanent free plan. The starter plan begins at $79 per month for 5,000 contacts, but it's pretty limited in features. You'll have to upgrade to the Pro plan at $205 per month to start utilizing all the extra features ActiveCampaign is known for. Constant Contact offers a free trial but no permanent free plan either. The Live plan starts at $80 per month for 5,000 contacts, but is very limited with only one custom segment and basic automation features. The standard plan starts at $110 per month, and the premium plan jumps to $200 per month. The biggest issue is that you're always charged for the highest number of contacts you've ever had, even if you deleted thousands of contacts before. ActiveCampaign wins pricing, but both platforms offer poor value. Both companies charge roughly the same price for basic features, but ActiveCampaign's price makes more sense because it has more advanced features. Constant Contact is even worse since they charge for deleted contacts, making both a bad choice for businesses trying to save money. I also have a special discount to save you money on both these tools, so check out the link in the description. ActiveCampaign is the clear winner and it's not even close. ActiveCampaign provides much better features and value. They also won every category in my comparison. So if you're ready to get started with ActiveCampaign, then I recommend watching this full ActiveCampaign tutorial next. But if you want a better alternative to Constant Contact, then this is my personal recommendation for you.